And we are off and moving today. So this is basically what's going on in the markets, the catalyst, little trend analysis, little TA, if you would. We're going to run through it pretty quickly. We're going to do it under 10 minutes and keep on moving. Here we go. Crypto bubbles today. Glimmer, GLMR, that is Moonbeam. That was listed on Polkadot. It's they won one of Polkadot's parachains. I believe they auctioned those off. So that's why Glimmer's having a hell of a day already. Near just keeps popping. Near one of the top 5 hedge fund coins. Rose is too, by the way. So is Phantom. I'm not sure if Luna's there yet. So that's the top 100. If we look at the Binance coins, though, let's see what's popping. See if anything. Rose is the one that really just is. I'm glad I saw that list when I got in, because it really opened my eyes. Airweave is one of those too, and that's doing well today. So that's what's going on. So that's again, Phantom is phenomenal today. Near, Glimmer, Moonbeam, top 100, the ones you're going to trust more, and Harmony won. So Rose and Solana, everything else seems to be down. Bitcoin just had about an $800 drop. So just so you know. All right, let's look at what's going on in the markets real time. BTC trades. You can see there is more buying of BTC right now. If we look at the volume flow, this is the net flow of all flows into crypto, but we want the buy flow for the past day. There it is. Let's check it out. Now, I guarantee you're going to see a lot of these right here. So you want to move up here. So hey, XLM continues to be above 50 million a day. XLM is stellar. So, and it's the easiest way to move money between exchanges, just so you know, right? That and Algo had really the cheapest ones right now. There's Litecoin. I was just reading about Litecoin's been down for so long. There's a lot of accumulation in Litecoin right now. I was just reading about it, but I didn't put it up here for you guys to see. Tron still strong. AVAX almost 100 million. Sand 120. Cosmos continues to show very good relative strength. 150 million. There's one that went directly from USD. Rose almost 200 million. Near almost 200 million. Phantom almost 500 million. And Bitcoin flows 1.7 billion. There's the one 186 million. That's Harmony. And Solana, of course. So you just got to keep watching. I like to watch these weekly flows too, and it's about the same. Rose Dot, Matic, big ones, XLM, Cosmos, Sushi, Near, Solana. It's a lot of the same. Sentiment too on Wall Street Bets. Pretty interesting here. Top 5 are real interesting. Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course. I don't even know what that is. Doge is there. Shill's been there for about 5 days now. Crow's climbed up. Matic, Link, Solana, and Rose. Love to see those. Polkadot was also one of the top 10 hedge fund coins going back 2 weeks. All right, so here's the Moonbeam. This is why it's so big. This is GLMR. Just completed a launch process. Is now live on Polkadot Parachain. Just want to let you know that. What else do we have? All right. So key right here. Why are we moving up and we continue to move up? It looks like the research so small businesses, 1 in 4 small businesses plan to accept digital currencies this year. So literally 25%. There's going to be even more of that in the UAE, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Brazil. And that's really where it counts, right? But it seems to be a more mixed picture elsewhere. 90% of small business in the U.S. I don't know how mixed that is. That's 20%. That's 1 in 5. 8% in Canada, but who really cares about them? Like those people, they're nice, but some 90% of small businesses have an online presence, so their company survival. And helped them through the COVID-19, blah, blah, blah. and they believe going with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is going to help them expand. So that's what this article gets into. You can look at it there. Solana, Visa is calling it the crypto of the banks right now just because it's so cheap. Again, we keep harping on, love Ethereum, love what they're doing. Gas fees, way too high. Just way too high, right? EIP 1559. You know, the price is going up because it's a deflationary asset, but they're giving a very big opening to Solana, AVAX, some of these other layer one chains, right? So Solana can go up to between, from what I've seen, 1,500 to 4,000. Some of you even, so that's what it's doing now. Supposedly it can do 100,000. I'm not believing that's TPS. I'm not believing that right now. Whereas basically Ethereum can do between 15 and like 50. That's transactions per second. It's TPS, right? So the thing about Ethereum is that you need a lot of that for the NFTs, for the DeFi. So it gets bought, but then it gets sold and passed on for the DeFi or buying NFTs, right? So that is what's going on. And again, basically what they're adding here is that exactly what I'm saying is that Ethereum is giving, they're just giving a Solana an opening here, and they're taking it. So, you know, proof of stake takes a while, just like I keep saying. All right, XRP. So it looks like things have been moved back. Due to the spike in COVID infections. This is the SEC versus the Ripple Labs lawsuit. Been moved back due to COVID and travel restrictions, blah, 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 right? So we were thinking April, and now it might be moved back to May, even further into the summer. So they don't want to make a poor impression. It does seem like that Ripple made a bad decision, because when they came out, XRP had the Ripple logo on the exchanges, right? Again, that's one of many things, but I still think that they're going to win this. I don't think you can let a security go, 4, 5, 6 years, and then all of a sudden, oh, now you're a security. I don't know how that works, but I'm pretty sure that that's going to fall in their favor. All right, let's talk about a little Shiba really quickly. Shiba Inu has once again broken the 1.5 billion threshold in capitalization on the whale tier wallets, and it's become the biggest holding among the 1,000 largest Ethereum addresses on the Ethereum network. That's good to know. That's by whale stats. It's now valued at 1.67 billion, while second place on the tracker. So this means the whales. So besides the Ethereum, they own Shiba. And you know what the second one, or the third one, I guess is the FTT coin. That's the FTX coin. Holdings of 1.5 billion. So that's pretty good. The meme cryptocurrency has gained 20% of value in the last 3 days. We all know that. You can see it on the screen here. What's going on there? The trading volume has increased 150% in the same 24 hours, so it is literally being knocked around and traded quite a bit. All right, what else do we have? Turkey. You probably may have seen this. Turkey has gone ahead and embraced Bitcoin and Tether. Tether only because it's a bridge to Bitcoin, but here's the thing. The volatility of the Turkish lira has pushed Turk to adopt cryptocurrencies as a means of payment and store of value. The country's natural currency has lost 40%. Well, I'm here to tell you, you might lose that in Bitcoin at one point or another. Seems to bounce back. I don't know if the lira's coming back, right? Just because the government there is having some big issues, right? So they started doing this in September, and now it's become bigger and bigger. Recent data from the blockchain analytics company Chainalysis showed that the crypto trading volumes using the lira reached a 5-quarter high. Q4 2021 was an average of 1.8 billion a day traded across Binance, BitTC Turk, and local Bitcoins. That's their local, local Bitcoins. But BTC Turk is their exchange. Their in country exchange, if you would. And of course, you know what local Bitcoins is. All right. So more than half of the trades against the lira in the summer involved Tether. That's just because it is a gateway drug into the Bitcoin. Get down here, yeah. To avoid this, tens of thousands of Turks have been exchanging their bank-held dollars for USDT, then using stablecoin as a gateway to Bitcoin. I would bet a lot are still holding on to Tether. Problem with Tether is, is it really backed? Not so sure. So is it really backed by real USD or assets? It says they are. They seem to come up with these, what would you call, like literally the audits continue to show that they are, but they're kind of suspect. Anyway, going on to crypto potato Tonga. Could adopt Bitcoin BTC as legal tender by November. Lowered Fatsutui hinted at a tentative arrival of Bitcoin as a legal tender for Pacific Island nation of Tonga. Love to hear it. September, October, bill goes to Parliament. If it's passed there, it goes to His Majesty for royal assent. 2 or 3 weeks to get the government on board and activation, and there we go. Clearly, he's been talking to Jack Mallers, the CEO of Strike, and who architected the El Salvador. He's been very, very vocal about the industry and has, from time to time, asserted the country can become more competitive and wealthy. Tonga very much needs that. Also, we've got Brazil on that list, and we've got a few other South American countries as well. All right, what else we got? Near just raised 150 million. Near's up 10% today. For the week, I believe Near's 24%. Glimmer's at 29. Look at my rows though. I told y'all 3 weeks ago to get into rows. Hedge funds know where it's at, right? Quant's doing well today. That's driven by TikTokers, the Quant, and really the XRP is driven by by TikTokers and YouTube personalities for the most part. But I don't care if it's doing this and just going up. If you think you can make money at it, more power to you. Just understand where the support and the resistance is, right? So let's talk about that really quick. What I've got y'all on Cosmos is showing very good strength. ATOM is a stay long above 32, price target of 46. Gets above that, price target of 71. Poly, love this one. Get long at 270. Where is Poly right now, by the way? Polygon is at it's Matic. So look at Rose already moved up to number 12. That's phenomenal. They moved it that fast. God, I jumped that. Look at BitDAO has jumped up too, and I was going to get into it, but I did not. I was looking at it though. Where's Matic on here? Am I missing it? Is this my watch? No, this is here. Oops. There we go. Matic is, there it is, 233. So get long at 270. We got a price target of 395 on the 161 trend extension. Near long at, I believe here above 11. And what was Near at? Near was at, right now it's at 19. So you stay long at a price target on Near at 17. Yeah, so it cleared it, and clearly I'm not keeping up with that one. Curve, you long at 650. Curve is, did I see Curve up today? No. What else did I see? Luna above 82, stay long. Price target of 131. And I believe it was up today. It just wasn't up much. Okay, so that is the price targets. We've done the sentiment. If you want to do the whales very quickly, we still have more selling than buying, but that's across all crypto, just so you know. So with that being said, that's it. Want to get on here and then jump off real quick, but this is it, guys. Watch your six go hard in the paint. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you too. See you guys.